If you want to create a calendar event on iPhone 16e, you need to simply open the calendar app. Then over here, what you can do is immediately press this plus button in the top right corner, where we can create an event or a reminder. So depending on which one you choose, you might have different options. But essentially, if you want to create an event, then you can provide title, location, or video call. You can set the event to last the whole day, or you can choose the date and time when it starts and when it ends, and also include the travel time. You can also set the event to repeat every once in a while. You can select the group for the calendar event. You can add invitees. You can choose to alert yourselves a specific period of time before the event. You can add attachments, add the website link, and provide some notes. Once you fill everything in, you can press add in the top right corner. But if you choose to go for a reminder, then you can set up the title, note, date and time as well, and the time can be disabled if you don't want to use it. Besides that, we can also choose this reminder to repeat every once in a while, or you can also choose the list, because you can list all reminders. You can group them into lists. And then you also have some details here. And then once again, you can press add in the top right corner in order to finalize this and save it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!